topic is combination of capacitors. First we have to study capacitors in series. Here you can consider three capacitors. The three capacitors are connected in series to a potential V. So here this is positive terminal, here it is negative terminal. So this terminal is positive means here it is negative, positive, negative, positive, then negative. Here Q be the charge flowing through the three capacitors C1, C2, C3. Here you have to just consider if the capacitors are connected in series, the charge remains the same but the potential is varying 1. So that the potential V is equal to Q by C. The potential through the first capacitor we can write V1 is equal to Q by C1 and V2 is equal to Q by C2 and V3 is equal to Q by C3. The total potential V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Can write V, you can write Q by C. Here it is Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. So in the denominator the value is varying 1, numerator Q is same. So that we can write Q by C which is equal to Q into 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Q and Q cancel, we get 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So that if the capacitors are connected in series, the effective capacitance decreases.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in next class.